And as we continue our focus on the local government election, this evening our reporter Kirk Wright looks at the municipal corporations on the JLP's watch list and their strategies to win these key corporations.
Since the election date was announced last week, both political parties have been beaming with confidence leading to the poll. For his party, Deputy General Secretary of the JLP, Richard Creary, believes the party has an outstanding chance of regaining control of the 8 corporations it now holds. But admittedly, the JLP also has set its sights on
St. Thomas. That was ours. We plan to retake St. Thomas. If we go through the list, Manchester is a corporation based on the fact we have 3 members of parliament in Manchester. We have very good representatives at the local level. We plan to win Manchester as well. Westmoreland might surprise everybody. We now have 3 members of parliament in Westmoreland doing excellent work. And we plan to win Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, especially with all the turmoil that has happened down there with the PNP in terms of 2 of their representatives now representing the Jamaica Labour Party.
One of those 2 former PNP councillors turned JLP candidates is Ian Miles. He represents the Little London division in Westmoreland, an area with strong historical support for the PNP.
2020 has taught us that there is no constituency that cannot be won, and we are putting energy, effort and resources into every single parish council division. We are leaving nobody behind.
Moving from one side to the next, it's not because of default, but it's because of the injustices that would have been meted out, and that they're standing on a principle of defending the citizens of Westmoreland. What I've managed to achieve in 7 years has never been done in the history of Little London. I single-handedly, based on the manifesto that I would have posted then in 2016, would have lived that out, built that out more than once in 7 years for Little London. The Little London town transformation, you can speak to that. You would have been traversing Little London to Negril in former years. Look at what it is now and where it is going.
Traditionally, local government issues such as roads are also shaping up to be decisive in the divisions the JLP is targeting. And the party has laid out a plan to address the people's concerns.
The Spark program is one, a $40 billion road program. That is something unheard of. I would never have dreamed that in my lifetime, the way the PNP had run Jamaica, that we would be in a position where a government of the day can allocate $40 billion from its own resources, not borrowed funds. So we have a platform to campaign on. We need to go out there and tell it to the people, and the best way to do so is by visiting every single house.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.